Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have Gnocchi Alla Genovese. First thing we got to do is make our pesto for this dish. So what you see me adding here is 2 cups of basil leaves, or about 3 ounces worth of basil, give or take. Then you want to have a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a garlic clove chop, and a half a cup of pine nuts. Then you just want to grind this up, and you want to be adding slowly a half a cup of olive oil, the juice of a half a lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and then I just added a little bit of cream to go along with this. Again, you don't have to add you can add the cream at the end if you want. I just decided, fuck it. Add it now. And then you might have to scrape down the sides a little bit during this process. And then you also want to be, at the moment, cooking about a pound of gnocchi, or gnocchi, or how the hell you say it. And then, yeah, just pulse this away till it's emulsified. All right, next step. And the gnocchi's done. Again, gnocchi only takes a couple of minutes. And then you want to pour all that pesto into the pot you cooked the gnocchi in. Grab yourself a spoon, give it a good old stir around, making sure all of the gnocchi is coated. Okay, to serve this up, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Again, these steps are optional, but I think they add a lot. And finally, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. That's Gnocchi Alla Genovese. Done.